Hey guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. In today's Tuesday's tips, we're going to be bringing you a DIY. It's going to be installing LED lights behind your television. You're not going to want to miss it. Let's get right to it. What you're going to need to do this job is the following. You're going to need some sort of LED. We're using the tape LED. You're going to need some alcohol to prep the surface to stick those LEDs on. I have some wire ties, so I can, when I have the wires of this LED, I can manage them nicely and keep them neat and tight. I'm also going to have some wire cutters, so I can cut the ends of the wire ties. And finally, I have a microfiber cloth, so to use with the alcohol to prep the surface where the LEDs are going to go on. Make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can see how awesome this looks. So the LEDs I wound up purchasing were from Commercial Electric. These are universally available at the Home Depot. What was really special about these was two things. A, they're simply two-sided tape. They're what's called a tape LED, and we actually used a very similar type on our slide video when we added lights to our slide. We'll put that card up above. It comes a pack of two. They're 24-inch LEDs, and they're made specifically for televisions. How they're powered is pretty cool. It's simply by the USB, right? So this has a USB in it, and I'm just going to plug it in. That's going to get its power. It also has a remote control, and that remote control allows you not only to turn it on and off, but to change different colors. So we're going to start getting into this and bring you step by step exactly how to do this very easy and cool DIY. So what's coming in the package, you're going to have your remote control. You're going to have a extension cord that's going to connect these two USB strips. You're going to have, your two LED strips. You're going to have one flat LED strip. It has a 3M backing of tape. This is the one that's going to connect to the USB power source, and then you have your second one that's going to connect to the extension connector, which is then going to connect to the first strip of LEDs. So the first thing you're going to want to do after everything's out of the package, you're going to want to plug in the LED tape to the power source, the USB in your television or in the wall, whatever you have. You want to make sure it works before you start sticking stuff on the back of your TV. So that's what we did. We checked it out. It's going to activate with the remote control as such, and just run through the colors and make sure everything works. Once that's done, you're going to move on to the second step, right? And that's going to be prepping the back of the television with the alcohol prep, so that way you can get a good solid seal on this tape here. So after you picked out the spot where you want and you cleaned and prepped, you're then going to want to peel off the backing of the two-sided tape. Find a good place on your television. You're going to lightly put it on, make sure it's set up correctly, and then you're going to put a little pressure so it starts to stick. This stuff will stick for a long time, so don't worry about that. The second thing you're going to want to do is this wire here. This is the extension wire, right? So what this is going to allow the one powered LED to connect to the other LED to give it power, right? So you're going to want to figure out a way to route this second extension cord. So the only thing I did, what you have to do after connecting that first side of LEDs, there's an extension cable. It's 57 inches long. I just ran it through a little channel across here. This is actually spring loaded, so you just kind of lift it up and there's a little channel in there. And then I'm just going to, you can see over here, it's on the other side. You can see right over here, right? So this is the cable that's going to now give power to this strip, which is going to be on this side, right? So this has already been prepped. I'm going to peel the two-sided tape off, and I'm going to stick it on this side. Guys, so that's it. It's a pretty easy job. How these things are going to work, you have a remote control. You can change the colors, and there's all different kind of patterns and colors. You can do like flash, strobe, fade, smooth. You can have just white. You turn it on and off from here. So That was a very easy install. It was maybe what, babe, like 15 minutes? And most of that was just trying to figure out where to run the wire. So we hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you check out our other DIY videos. And actually we did a video on the slide, which I mentioned earlier. We'll link that at the end, so make sure you check that out. So if you like the video, we invite you to subscribe below, like the video, share, and leave a comment. We're thinking about maybe doing this same setup, but running it under our kitchen countertop. I think that'd be pretty cool. So put it in the comments what you think about this setup, and should we do it on the kitchen countertop. For myself and MJ, who's behind the camera, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.